What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm on my way to. I had to work. I'm here now. I really only here for a little minute. Not too crazy. Today is my mom's birthday party, so we're having a birthday party later on tonight for her. Also, I need to go by Walmart and clean my car up. So I'm bringing y'all along with me. I'm here at work now. Yeah. So the time now is like, what time is it? Almost 9 o'clock, 8:58 to be exact. And I'm just really here just, to open the store until she get here. Because I'm really supposed to be off. But today is my mom's birthday. Well, actually her birthday was Wednesday. And we're having her party today, which is Saturday, the 27th of July. And yeah, I wanted to bring y'all along with me and enjoy the content. If you're new to the channel, my name is John. It's your boy Henry Hennessy, which is the name of my channel. But welcome to the channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the. So you guys, I'm finally off work. Now I'm about to go stop by Walmart. And once I leave Walmart, I'll show y'all definitely what I got then. So I made it to Walmart. I had to come in here and grab a couple things. I'm gonna show y'all what I got once I get to the car. Yeah. So I just made it out of Walmart. I had a quick little Walmart run. I'm gonna show y'all what I got once I get to where I'm going, and then I'm gonna do a little Walmart haul and show y'all what I got. Right now I'm on my way to go wash and clean my car, and then go home, just get last minute stuff for my mom's party, and then I'm gonna pick y'all up. So some time has passed, and now I'm, as you can see, I changed. Had to go around and pick up a lot of stuff, the balloons and everything. But I'm about to head to my mom's party so we can decorate, and then I'm gonna show y'all that as well and get ready, show y'all my outfit, and have a good time at my mom's birthday party. What's up, YouTube? It's the next day, and as you can see, we had a time. We had fun last night. Happy birthday to my mom again. As you can see, I just left church. Now we about to go eat with my aunt who came in from out of town. About to go eat with her, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog because that's all I'm doing for today. So yeah. So we finally made it to church. Now I'm about to show y'all what I'm what I get or whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna get because I'm not pretty hungry right now, but I don't know. But I would like to take this time out to say thank y'all for watching my YouTube channel, supporting me and everything that I do. I gotta come up with a name for y'all because we are a family, so I just gotta come up with a name, and yeah. So we about to head into Cheddar's now. So right now we just got through eating. Had to stop by the QT. I got me an orange cream slushie. $10 out of 10. Got me some Doritos. And then of course I filled my water bottle up with water because it's hot down here in the south. But I'm about to head home and close out this vlog. So you guys, I made it home. I'm not doing nothing else for the rest of the day but sleep because I'm tired. These past few days has been crazy. I know this vlog been all over the place, but I will still edit it, put it out, and see what it is. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post bell notification to get notified every time I drop a video. I know I forgot some stuff in here, but this work with me these past couple of days been hectic for real. But it's much love, support, and I'll do my best to be better at what I'm doing. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with another vlog. Peace.